Hello students, today we are going to do question number 2 of exercise 4.3 unit 4 simple equations class 7. So question number 2 is solve the following equations. First part is given 2 into x plus 4 is equal to 12. So here you can see that there is no sign and it means it is multiplied. So 2 multiply x plus 4, 2 is multiplied with this whole bracket, it is equal to 12. So first of all we will remove this 2. For that you can transpose this 2 to the right hand side and then what will happen? X plus 4 equal to 12 upon 2 because it is multiplied. Now it will be divided this side. So you will get x plus 4 is equal to 6. And then now we will transpose this 4 to the right hand side and it becomes 6 minus 4. Then you will get your answer x is equal to 2. This is the solution of this equation. There is one more method to solve this equation, and how you can do that? You must know this method also. Here 2 multiplied x plus 4. What it means? It is actually a distributive property. And it means 2 is multiplied by x also and 2 is multiplied by 4 also. So if you want to open the bracket, then what you have to do? You have to multiply 2 with x also and there will be plus sign. Then you have to multiply 2 with 4 also. So then you will get 2x plus 8 and it is given now equal to 12. So we will solve. You can see that this is the same equation form that you have done in the first question also, in the previous exercises also. So 2x plus 8 is equal to 12. Now I think you can solve it easily. So first of all 8 will be transposed to the right hand side, and for that here will come 12 minus 8. So 2x is equal to 12 minus 8, that is equal to 4. Now we will transpose this 2 to the right hand side and we will get 4 upon 2 equal to 2. So this is a one more way to solve the equation. So both ways you must know and practice. Now we are going to do B part. Now here is the B part. 3 into n minus 5 is equal to 21. So same way here 3 is multiplied with this bracket. So same way, so choice is your, you want to opt this method or you want to go by this method. So I am going to do with this method. So here we will transpose 3 to the right hand side and it will come 21 upon 3. So n minus 5 is equal to 7. Now we will transpose 5 to the right hand side and it will come n is equal to 12. 7 plus 5, n is equal to 12. I hope you have understood this part also. Now same way there is C part. 3 into n minus 5 is equal to minus 21. So 3, for removing this 3 you will transpose it to right hand side and it will come minus 21 upon 3. So n minus 5 is equal to minus 7 you will get, and then we will transpose this 5. So minus 7 plus 5. This minus 5 will be transposed and it will become plus 5. Now what we get the answer? It is minus 2. So this is the solution of C part. Now same way we are going to do D and E part. So see the D part. Here it is given minus 4 bracket 2 plus x is equal to 8. Here it means minus 4 is multiplied by this bracket now. So same way we will transpose this minus 4 to the right hand side and then what will come? 2 plus x, 8 upon minus 4. So what will come? 2 plus x is equal to minus 2. 8 divided by 4, 2, and there will be minus. Now we will transpose this 2 to the right hand side and it will come x is equal to minus 2 is already there. This plus 2 will be minus 2 in the right hand side. So what the answer will come? Minus 2 minus 4. This is the solution of D part. See E part now. So here E part, it is given 4 multiply 2 minus x is equal to 8, or you can read it as 4 into 2 minus x is equal to 8. So we will transpose this 4. 2 minus x is equal to 8 upon 4. 2 minus x is equal to 2. Now we will transpose this 2, but because there is minus x, so we will keep it at same as, and this minus 2 will be minus 2. So what will come? 2 minus 2, 0. So if minus x is 0, then it means x is also 0. So this is a solution of E part. I hope you have understood this question number. To solve the following equations, method is your choice. You want to opt this method or you want to go by this method.